What if I told you that something you eat every single day could be silently draining your energy, damaging your organs, and speeding up aging, and most people don't even realize it? It's not junk food. It's not fast food. It's something far more common, and it's probably in your kitchen right now. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to stop eating daily, why it harms your body, and what to replace it with for better health, clearer skin, stronger immunity, and more energy. 1. The daily food trap. Most people think health problems come from occasional unhealthy meals. But science shows the real danger comes from foods eaten every single day without realizing their long-term effects. Your body can tolerate unhealthy foods occasionally, but when something harmful becomes part of your daily routine, your system never gets time to recover. Over time, this leads to chronic fatigue, hormonal imbalance, digestive issues, weight gain, brain fog, and the worst part? The damage is slow and silent. 2. Food number 1 you should stop eating daily. Refined sugar. Refined sugar is the number 1 ingredient experts warn against consuming daily. Why it's harmful daily. When you eat sugar, your blood glucose spikes rapidly. Your pancreas releases insulin to control it. But when this happens every day, multiple times a day, your body becomes resistant to insulin. This can lead to increased fat storage, energy crashes, sugar cravings, increased inflammation. Over time, frequent sugar consumption is linked to metabolic disorders, skin problems, and reduced immune efficiency. Hidden sources most people miss: breakfast cereals, flavored yogurt, packaged juices, energy drinks, low-fat snacks. Even foods labeled healthy often contain high sugar levels. Better alternatives: whole fruits instead of juice, plain yogurt with honey or dates, homemade snacks. The key is not eliminating sweetness completely. It's avoiding daily refined sugar overload. 3. Food number 2 to avoid daily. Refined white flour. White flour products, such as white bread, pastries, and many packaged snacks, are stripped of fiber and nutrients. What happens in your body? Refined flour acts similarly to sugar. It digests quickly, causing rapid blood sugar spikes followed by crashes. Daily consumption may lead to increased hunger, weight gain, poor digestion, low energy. Because fiber is removed, your gut microbiome doesn't receive the nourishment it needs. Healthier swaps. Instead of cutting bread completely, choose whole grain bread, oats, brown rice, traditional grains. These release energy slowly and support digestion. For food number 3 that damages health when eaten daily. Processed foods. Processed foods are convenient, but daily consumption is where the risk lies. Processed foods include packaged snacks, instant noodles, processed meats, frozen ready meals. These often contain preservatives, artificial flavors, and excess sodium. What daily intake does? When consumed regularly, these additives may burden your liver and kidneys, forcing them to work harder to filter substances your body doesn't need. Over time, this may contribute to water retention, bloating, high blood pressure risk, sluggish metabolism. Why they're addicted. Processed foods are engineered to taste extremely appealing by combining salt, fat, and sugar in precise ratios. This stimulates pleasure signals in the brain, making you crave more. 5. The most common daily mistake: drinking calories. Many people carefully choose food but forget what they drink daily. Liquid calories from sugary drinks can be especially harmful because they digest rapidly, don't create fullness, spike blood sugar quickly. Common daily culprits: soda, sweet tea, sweetened coffee drinks, packaged fruit drinks, Replacing just one daily sugary drink with water can significantly reduce weekly calorie intake. 6. Why daily habits matter more than occasional treats. Your body works on patterns, not isolated events. Eating something unhealthy once in a while rarely causes harm. But when that same food becomes part of your daily routine, your body adapts, often negatively. Think of it like this. Occasional habits influence your day. Daily habits influence your life. Small daily choices accumulate. A single soda isn't dangerous, but one soda every day for years equals thousands of extra sugar grams. 7. Warning signs your daily diet is hurting you. Your body often sends early signals when your daily eating habits aren't supporting your health. Watch for constant fatigue even after sleep, frequent cravings, digestive discomfort, skin breakouts, difficulty concentrating. These symptoms don't always mean disease, but they often indicate your body isn't getting the nutrients it needs or is receiving too many harmful substances daily. 8. Simple rule to follow. Here's a powerful guideline. If a food comes in a package and lasts for months, don't eat it every day. Foods that stay fresh naturally, like fruits, vegetables, grains, nuts, and legumes, are usually safer for daily consumption. This doesn't mean you must avoid packaged foods completely. The goal is balance. Natural foods daily. Processed foods occasionally. 9. What to eat daily instead. Replace harmful daily foods with nutrient-dense options your body can use effectively. Best daily foods: fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, healthy fats. These provide vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber, all essential for long-term health. Daily intake of these foods supports strong immunity, clear skin, stable energy, healthy digestion, better mental focus. Conclusion: you don't need a perfect diet to be healthy. You don't need expensive supplements. And you don't need extreme restrictions. What you do need is awareness. The foods you eat daily shape your future health. Removing just one harmful daily item can improve your energy, digestion, mood, and long-term wellness. So starting today, ask yourself one question. What am I eating every day that my body doesn't actually need? Remove it, replace it, and watch your health transform. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more science-based health videos that make complex topics simple and practical. And comment below which food you eat daily that you might replace after watching this. Your answer might help someone else too.